Proportional relationships examples, and I'm gonna give you the solution and some explanation. So example number 1. I'm gonna do a recipe adjustment. So imagine you have a recipe that requires 4 cups of flour to make 8 cookies. If you want to make 16 cookies, how much flour do you need? Okay, so you have, so the recipe requires 4 cups of flour to make 8 cookies. And then, so how many, so you need to find the relationship to make, so 16 cookies. So how much flour for 16 cookies? Okay, so let's do the ratio. Remember that the equation y equals kx. Okay, so the ratio here is 4 cups of flour for 8 cookies. That means we have 4 over 8, and then we can say flour and then cookies. So this is the relationship here. This is, so k, your k would be 4 over 8, and we can simplify it by dividing top and bottom by 2, and you're gonna get 4 divided by 2. That would be 2, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. We can continue simplifying by dividing by 2, and that would be 1/2. Okay, so that would be 1/2 equal to flour over cookies. So we can form an equation that says, so this implies that if I multiply by cookies, and cookies on the other side, this cancel, we're left with cookies over 2 equal to flour. And we want to make cookies, so I just need to multiply both sides by 2. So these 2 cancels, and then we're left with cookies equals 2 times flour. So this will be our equation that we need. So this is equal to 1/2. Okay. Cookies equals 2 times flour. Okay. Let's go to the next page. So our equation says that cookies equals 2 times flour. All right, so we want 16 cookies. So how much flour do we need? Okay, we can say 16 cookies equals to 2 times flour. So how much flour do we need? We divide by 2. Divide by 2, this cancels, and we're left with flour equals to 16 over 2. And 16 over 2 is 16 divided by 2 is 8 cups. Okay, let's go to example number 2. It's going to be currency conversion. So in this case, we're going to convert dollars to euros, and we're gonna say that the exchange rate for $1 is so exchange rate rate of $1 to euros is 0.85. So that means that your ratio is equal to $1 to 0.85 euros. And we want to know how many. So what would you get with $50? So $50 to euros. So then we need an equation. Okay, so that would be. So we can say something like. So your k in this case is gonna be. All right. We can go as follows. Okay, so dollar. We can say dollar over euro is equal to 1 over 0.85. And we have $50. So we can say 50 is equal to 1 over 0.85. And then euro or euros. All right, now we solve for euros. We multiply both sides by 0.85, 0.85, and then euros on the other side. Let's do that one first. Okay, so that would be 50 times 0.85. That would be, let me check it. Okay. So basically, we have to multiply 0.85 times 50. Okay, let's see. We can do the math, but I'm going to give you the answer, okay? So it's 42.50. To be 42.50 equal to 1, and then we divide by euro. Now to get euros, we're going to multiply both sides by euros. And we're going to get euros is equal to, because this cancels, we get 42.50. That would be our answer. Because 1 times euros is just euros. Now let's do example number 3. This is a scale model. So it says that a model car is built to scale to a scale of 1 to 18. A model car is built to a scale of 1 to 18. So let's say, and now we want to know so let's say that if an actual car is 180 inches, then what is the length of the actual car. Remember, 1 to 18, that means that 1 inch is 1 inch to 18 inches. Okay, so we're gonna say that we can say that so we can say 1/18 is equal to, so we can say actual divided by, and then we say 180 inches. So actually, uh, then 18, that will say 180. If it was want to know if an actual car is 180 inch, then what is the length? So we need what the length is going to be represented by actual. So actual is our length. Now we solve for actual. So we can multiply both sides with 180, cancel, and then we say actual is equal to 180 over 18, and that's equal to 180 divided by 18. Uh, that's going to be equal to 10 inches. So that would be our answer for our length. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.